Hi everyone, it's Andrea from Lightly Sketched. For today's tutorial, we are going green with an organization called Baseball for Dad in honor of Mental Health Awareness Week. My daughter Chanel will be showing you how to create this easy scribble art for kids, and I'll be sharing with you 3 incredible benefits of kindness. Let's get started. For today's scribble art for kids, you'll need paintbrushes, a paint tray, and a water container for washing your brushes. You'll also need acrylic paint. We're using the Ohuhu water-based set. We also added yellow, white, and black to our green paint to create even more shades of green. You'll also need watercolor paper or cardstock, a pencil, and a Sharpie marker. This activity can also be completed in pencil, crayon, marker, or any medium of your choice. You can choose a material that your children will enjoy using. We'd really appreciate your support, so don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new videos. Step 1. Write a word or statement. If you're adding words or a quote to your background, write it onto your paper in block or bubble letters. Then outline your letters in black Sharpie. Step 2. Scribble. Starting in one corner, draw a loopy scribble all over your page. Encourage your children to make their scribble loopy instead of scratchy, because it will be easier for them to color in spaces that are more open and less tight. After filling your page with scribbles, go back and check for spaces that seem too empty and add a few additional lines. We let our lines go right to the edge of our paper, but you don't have to. You can have your students just fill up the middle of the page with their loopy scribbles. Step 3. Paint or color. Using a medium of your choice, paint or color the sections in the scribble you drew. We chose the color green in honor of going green for mental health awareness, but feel free to choose any color harmony of your choice. Your students might find it challenging to stay inside of the lines when painting smaller sections, but don't worry, those areas can be touched up with a Sharpie once their artwork is completely dry. As mentioned previously, today's Scribble Art for Kids tutorial is inspired by an organization called Baseball for Dad. Baseball for Dad is dedicated to ending the stigma surrounding mental health, and they are committed to spreading kindness on a global scale. Baseball for Dad and several other supporters of mental health awareness, including us here at Lightly Sketched, are going green May 2nd to 8th to send a clear message to anyone struggling with mental health that they are not alone. To learn more about how you can support Baseball for Dad or to get involved, visit their website. I'll put a link in the description box below. Kindness is a superpower. There are many benefits of being kind, but here are 3 of our favorites. First of all, kindness changes your brain. Being kind boosts serotonin and dopamine, which can give you feelings of satisfaction and well-being. Next, kindness produces oxytocin, also known as the cuddle chemical. Witnessing acts of kindness produces oxytocin, which increases our self-esteem and optimism. This can be extremely helpful when we're feeling anxious or shy in social situations. And last but not least, kindness improves our overall health. According to the author Christine Carter, participating in acts of kindness such as volunteering or giving back to one's community protects your overall health. For adults, helping others can protect against heart disease and can be just as beneficial to your overall health as exercising 4 times a week. kindness is amazing. To learn more about the power of kindness or for more kindness activities, visit my blog. I'll leave a link in the description box below. We tried to create balance in our painting by using a few art rules. We used the triangular composition rule by forming imaginary triangles across the page by painting certain shapes with the same color. We also used the odd number composition rule, where we colored 3 or 5 shapes with the same color. Both of these techniques help to create a more balanced piece, but if your child is inspired to paint or color randomly, I encourage that too. Step 4. Touch up. Once their artwork is dry, your kids can use a Sharpie marker to trace over any lines that might have been covered with paint. Step 5. Give your artwork away. Encourage your students or children to spread kindness by giving their artwork to someone special in their life, gifting it to another class in their school, or by donating it to a senior's home in their community. These small acts of kindness can amount to something great. Thanks for watching.